Using the Lancall Micro 500 battery tester to check car battery condition. The Lancall Micro 500 battery tester is a device designed to quickly and accurately test the condition of a car battery without removing it from the vehicle. This tool is widely used in service centers and auto repair shops because it can evaluate the overall performance of the battery, including voltage, charge level, internal resistance, and cold cranking amps or CCA, which are essential indicators of the battery's lifespan and efficiency. The testing procedure begins by preparing the device, ensuring both test leads are in good condition without damage or looseness. Then, connect the red clamp to the positive terminal, plus, and the black clamp to the negative terminal, minus, of the battery. Once properly connected, the tester will automatically power on using the battery's own voltage. The user then selects the battery test mode and chooses the appropriate battery type, such as regular flooded, AGM, or gel. For sealed maintenance-free batteries, like the FB Gold 2100L, the AGM or regular flooded mode is recommended. Next, select the test standard, CCA, cold cranking amps, and input the rated value printed on the battery, in this case, 480 CCA. Press Enter to begin testing. The device will analyze several electrical parameters within seconds, including voltage, internal resistance, actual measured CCA, overall health or health percent, and charge level or charge percent. The results appear on the display both in numbers and text. For example, good battery means the battery is still in good condition. Charge and retest indicates the battery should be charged before retesting. And replace battery means the battery has deteriorated and should be replaced. In the sample result, the values shown were healthy 100%, charge 100%, 12.66 volts, internal resistance 6.04 milliohms, and measured CCA 495A, which is slightly higher than the rated 480A. This indicates that the battery is in excellent condition with no internal degradation or voltage drop. Additionally, the Lancall Micro 500 features a QR code function that allows users to scan and save the test results on their smartphones. After viewing the test outcome, the user can press Enter to display a QR code containing all relevant test data, including measured CCA, voltage, charge level, internal resistance, and overall battery status, good, replace, or retest. This function makes it easy to store and track test records over time, helping users compare future tests and monitor the gradual degradation of the battery. Using the Lancall Micro 500 battery tester is an efficient and safe way for preventative maintenance. Car owners should check their batteries every 3 to 6 months to assess their health status. It is also important to keep the battery terminals clean and free from corrosion or oxidation, and to avoid leaving the battery's voltage below 12.0 volts without recharging. In conclusion, the Lancall Micro 500 battery tester is an essential tool that makes battery testing simple, quick, and accurate. It helps prevent unexpected starting problems and supports long-term monitoring through its convenient QR code storage feature. This makes it a valuable device for both automotive technicians and modern car owners who want to ensure their vehicle's electrical system remains in optimal condition at all times.